Florida Mobile Home Bond. What is Florida Mobile Home Bond? The Florida Mobile Home Bond is a surety bond required for mobile home dealers, installers, or transporters operating in Florida. It guarantees that the bonded party will comply with state laws and regulations governing mobile home sales, installation, or movement. The bond provides financial protection to consumers and the state if violations or damages occur. Why is Florida Mobile Home Bond required? Florida requires this bond to protect the public from fraud, improper installation, or failure to meet contractual and regulatory obligations. It helps ensure mobile home professionals act ethically and follow Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles rules. The bond also offers a way for harmed parties to seek compensation without relying solely on court action. How does Florida Mobile Home Bond works? The bond involves three parties: the principal mobile home professional, the obligee state of Florida, and the surety bonding company. If the principal violates laws or causes financial harm, a claim can be filed against the bond for reimbursement. If the claim is valid, the surety pays the claim and the principal must repay the surety in full. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.